Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and change our shaders. This is gonna help us in the final scene when we have to render. It'll be much easier. I'm gonna name ks underscore world. And then, so we can do this in two ways. We can load the hypershade, create a new shader, which is, we're gonna be using Arnold utility. And then in here, we're gonna load our file. Actually, before we do this, make sure to rename your shader. So I'm gonna name this KS World Color. This is gonna be very useful when we're trying to composite the final scene. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that shader to my object. Assign material. I haven't loaded my image, so you select your shader and color. You go to File, import your texture, world color map, and then in your shader, the shade mode, change NDOTI to flat, and that's all we need to do. I'm gonna show the other way. Okay. Oh. Great. So the other way to do it is you right click on your object, assign new material, and then from here, oh, I don't even have my Arnold right now loaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. Damn crash. Okay, so assign new material, aiUtility, and an attribute editor. Make sure to rename your shader because it becomes really messy if we don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and name it KS World Color. And then shade mode to flat, and then in the color you load your file. I have my file in my images. You should upload your I think they're gonna give you directions on which folder you're gonna upload your file and then reference that in through Artella. That way it's easier for us to composite at the end. But this is all you need to do, and if I render, it should work. Yep, there it is. Okay, and that's all. The reason we're doing it this way is because in our main render layer, this will be the color pass, and we will create a layer which has tune shader, and here the whole layer gets overwritten with a tune shader that we're gonna have in the scene, and that's really all we need. If you have any questions, let me know, and